and it just makes my bathroom, which I love because it reminds me of a spa, it just adds to it, and I love it. I love it because it is not so loud. It's very quiet, but yet you get the trickling sounds of water. So it makes it very spa-like. And I'm thinking of getting another one for my bedroom. Now, this was so easy to put together. When I first saw it, I was a little confused, but I have to tell you, it literally took me 5 seconds to put this together. And I just put the rocks in, I filled up with water to the water line, plugged it in, and that was it. That was it. And I love because you can close the light and it's still, look how pretty it looks. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend this product if you love spa-like products, you know, it just definitely adds a beautiful touch to your decor. I give this a 10 out of 10.